Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ivy's YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve 10-day SQL challenge episode part 9. So in this challenge, the task is to create a SQL query for a bank to generate a report showing the daily count of visitor and a transaction for each day within a given month. The report should include days with the zero counts and the orders by the date. So we have a transaction table with our user ID, transaction date, and the amount. And we have a visit table with the user ID and the visit date. So let's go to the MySQL workbench to solve this challenge. So we want daily counts of visitor in a bank. So we will start with select from visit table, visit date, and count of user ID. Now here's the one thing. If I use count of user ID, suppose if a person visit twice or thrice in a day, it will count 2 or 3. We don't want that. So hence we are going to use distinct user ID to count if a person visit twice or thrice as a 1. So as visitor count. Since we are using aggregate function, we need a group by visit date by 1, and you will get how many visitors are visited in the bank in a day. Similarly, we are going to create for transaction. So select from transaction table, transaction date, and count distinct of user ID, as transaction count, group by with transaction date. So we'll get how many transactions in a day. Then we will use CTE to convert these to query into CTE. So user visit, user visit as comma user transaction as action as, and then we will use select from user visit v join user transaction common column of dates. So I'll just write T on the basis of v dot visit date equal to T dot transaction date. So we are going to use Coalesce function visit v dot visit date and T dot transaction date, and then we will just write as date. So what the Coalesce function do? It's just work like a case statement. Okay, so we will use again Coalesce function comma Coalesce. Now in the question, if there's a no visit in a bank, so we need 0. So I'll just write a visitor counts, then 0, comma, Coalesce for transaction count 0, comma. And then we are going to use order by clause, order by date. So visit, visit. So here you will get how many how many. So here you get in a day how many visitors and how many transactions happen in a day. For more such video, follow Ivy's channel. Stay tuned for more videos.